Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to create consistent characters for your creative projects? Today, I'm going to show you how to do that using Kling AI, an incredible free tool. Let's get started and bring your characters to life. Step 1. Log in to Kling AI. First things first, head over to www.klingai.com and log into your account. Don't have one yet? It's free to sign up and takes just a minute. Step 2. Choose the Character Creator tool. Once logged in, click on the Character Creator tool. This is where the magic happens. Kling AI offers advanced options to design characters with precision. Step 3. Input character details. Now enter the key details about your character, like appearance, personality traits, and any specific outfits or styles you want. The more detailed you are, the more accurate your character will be. Step 4. Generate and refine the character. Click Generate to create your character. If you want to tweak anything, use the edit options to make adjustments. This ensures your character remains consistent across projects. Step 5. Save and reuse your character. Once you're happy, save your character profile. Kling AI allows you to reuse this character for animations, comics, or any creative work, maintaining consistency every time. And that's it. Creating consistent characters in Kling AI is super easy and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. What character will you create today? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.